Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a very easy and quick homemade pizza sauce recipe, and shortly I will be sharing many interesting recipes with pizza sauce as a key ingredient. So let's get started with the recipe. For that, take a heavy bottomed pot and add enough water to boil the tomatoes, and make eggs cut in the bottom side of the tomatoes and drop them to the boiling water. Cover them with a lid and boil them for about 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. After 5 minutes, remove them and set them aside to cool down. Once cooled, remove the peel from the tomatoes. Cut and remove the green part and start chopping the tomatoes. Once chopping is done, half of them should be pureed and the remaining should be set aside. Now for the pizza sauce, take a saucepan and add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon garlic chopped, and saute them for a minute. Then add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped and saute them for a minute on medium flame. Then add in the previously chopped tomatoes and give them a mix. Then add the tomato puree and cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Slightly mash the tomatoes to get a nice texture for the sauce. Now add in 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon sugar, salt, and give them a good mix. Then add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup and cook the sauce for another 2 minutes. And the homemade pizza sauce is ready. Cool down the sauce and store in an airtight container and refrigerate for further use. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.